guys, welcome back to our channel Naughty Threads. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, hit the subscribe button now and also hit the bell icon to get the future notifications. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful crochet sari tassel design using ring beads and some small gold beads. This design is very pretty. It looks very nice when worked with single color or double color. So without any delay, let's get started. So to work this design, you will need some ring beads like this with 2 holes and another small bead that fits inside the ring bead. You'll have to choose this bead very carefully because we need some space here after the bead sits inside, so that the needle passes through when we are working around this bead. So these are the beads I have taken, and I'm going to use my regular crochet hook 10, which is 0.75 mm, and 5 strands of silk thread. I'm just showing it in a sample fabric here, but when you're working on a sari, you have to face the right side of the sari towards yourself. So I'm going to start with fixing the knot here and then work 4 chains and 1 single crochet. Then we will add this bead. So we'll hold both the beads together and insert the needle. Hold them in a way where the holes are aligned in one straight line, so that when you insert the hook, it goes straight in. So once you've done this, you'll have to work a chain so that it is tight, and then work 1 single crochet. So this is going to be the base you'll be working throughout the sari. And continue with 4 chains again. Single crochet. You can also use crystals in between. A small, maybe a 4 mm crystal will fit into this ring bead. And 4 chains again. The 4 chain space is to tie the bunches or tassels. So you will have to work this space throughout the sari. You will have to work the same base throughout the sari and then cut it to join the other color. If you wish, you can continue in the same color, but here I am going to use another color. I am going to add pink here. Hold both the colors together and make a knot right in the corner. Then turn the fabric because we'll have to work back. So we'll start with this first base here. I'm going to make 3 single crochets. And then we'll work around, actually inside this ring. So that is why it becomes important to choose this bead when you're choosing this bead. This has to, you need to have enough space here so that the needle goes in easily. So I'm going to work 1 single crochet here. and then start working your double crochets. Make 2 double crochet stitches. This is 1, and 2. After 2, we'll add one small bead. So after 2 double crochets, we'll add one small gold bead, and then work 2 more double crochets. So once you've done that, just try to slide it to one side and then work 1 single crochet. So this becomes our first petal. Then work 2 double crochets again. This is the first one. Second one. Now I'm going to add one more bead. Work 2 double crochets after the bead. And 1 single crochet. So now it will actually look like it's almost full, but we have to squeeze in 1 more petal. So slightly move this and you will see some space. So I worked single crochet already. I'm going to do 2 double crochets. Add a bead and work 2 more double crochets. And end it with a single crochet like we started. So this is how it should look. 3 petals. Now in this 4 chain block, you will simply do 3 single crochets. And then 1 single crochet to the ring. So to the second ring, I am going to make a little change. I'll just work 1 single crochet and I'll add 1 bead. And then work 2 double crochets. Add a bead again. 2 double crochets. So this will not look like 3 petals, instead it will simply look like an arch. If you wish, you can continue the same pattern throughout or make alternate pattern like this. So I've added 5 beads. We started with a single crochet here, so after single crochet I've added a bead, so I'm going to end it in the same way. So we'll end it with a single crochet. So this is how the second ring will look. Here you will simply work 3 single crochets again. Now for the third one, I am going to repeat this. I am going to keep it like alternate. I'll do 1 single crochet again. Two double crochets and a bead. So after the bead, 2 double crochets and 1 single crochet. So the same thing you will repeat 3 times to get 3 petals. You just have to keep sliding them as you go ahead. So I finished the last one. I'm going to cut the thread and knot it here. Leave about ½ inch and trim the excess from both the ends. So this is the right side, this is how it looks. Now we'll add tassels in this 4 chain gap. So for that I have taken 100 strands, glued the end. So you just have to pass it through this end, tie it. So here's the final look of this design. You can continue the 3 petal pattern throughout the sari, or if you want a variation you can use the method I showed you. I have added 2 colors of tassels here. If you want you can add single color, depends on the sari you're working with. So that's it for today then. I hope you guys like this design. Do share your comments in the comment section below. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.